Everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem Zarchiver option completed successfully with a error. So to solve that problem, you can see there is the application, and if there is any problem you can just tap and hold that particular application here. Okay, then go to the app info here. Then you can see there are many options here. So the first thing you need to do is you have to go to the storage and cache option. Okay, now you can see clear storage and clear cache. You have to both clear the cache and clear the storage, but first of all try to clear the cache only. If it resolves the problem, then no need to do the second one, but if it doesn't, then you have to clear the storage too. So still, if there is any problem, you have to uninstall that and reinstall that. Still, if there is any problem, then you have to install another application. So from my suggestion, the perfect application is CX File Explorer. You can also do the same thing with that particular application here. You have to just turn this on, and you can see you can get all your storage from here, and you can do all the things that Zarchiver can do. That's all about today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.